Matt asks two things. Going to order tonight. I see the shampoo won't be available. How long does the roller and brushes last? So the roller I recommend replacing every 3 months, 2 to 3 months. 3 months I think is good. Sometimes you can use it longer, but you'll notice when the needles start to get dull, or if it starts hurting more, and it doesn't, it's not the most pleasurable experience in the first place. But when the needles get dull, it will hurt more, and you'll feel that they're kind of like not puncturing the skin as cleanly. So when you feel like the roller's getting dull, that's the time to replace it. Or if the roller gets damaged or bent, or the needles get bent, if you drop it or anything like that, obviously you got to replace it. And the brushes, dude, the brushes will last forever. The brushes actually, I think, get even better with time because they get a little bit softer. They get a little bit like broken, and it's like an old boot that gets better with time. So yeah, man, the rollers I replace every 3 months, and the brushes last for a really long time.